Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a bottle bending machine, and in this system we used here a hole, and by using this hole we will input our bottles to our machine, and providing this bottle we will get return as different types of coins, and we will get coin for plastic and can bottle, and we will show that operation in LCD, and we can control our this drawer by using this keypad. And now we will see the outside of this system. So its different print is printed here, and there is some command also for a recycling system. So let's check the full operation of our project first. You see here that this is the inner view of this project, and in this system we will make sure power supply from AC source, and this SMPS will convert AC to DC, and it will provide 12 volt DC output that we will use here for make sure power supply for our gear motor and other components also. And we used here a buck converter to convert this 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC that we will used here to make sure power supply for our node MCU LCD display. And also here we used two SG90 servo motor and one ultrasonic sensor also, and here one another servo motor MG995 was powered by this 5 volt DC. And we used here two bin, and these two bin will receive can bottle and plastic bottle that will input from outside of this project. And this is the main hole. Here we will insert a metal detector or proximity sensor, and this ultrasonic sensor will get pulse or signal from a plastic bottle. This is the input hole for providing bottles, and here we used two servo motor as coin dispenser. Here one servo motor will provide 2 BDT coin and another one will provide 5 BDT coin. We designed here a compressor that will compress our bottles like plastic and can bottle, and then one flap is used here to divide our can bottle and plastic bottle in different bin. So our system is powered on and our compressor is rotating here, and when we will provide bottle from outside, then this bottle will be compressed here and bottle will be divided to our can bottle bin and plastic bottle bin. This coin dispenser system will be triggered when plastic bottle or can bottle will be detected by using our metal detector or ultrasonic sensor. And when it will detect metal, that's time this display will be show can bottle is detected, and this servo motor will provide 5 BDT coin, and our flap will be shifted to our can bottle side. After checking this system, we will cover this frame, and we used here a steel sheet to covering this frame, and we colored this total frame by using black color or black spray color, and then we used here different types of sticker for different sides. Our system is ready now, so we will check our complete project now. And when we will make sure power supply, at that time our LCD will be turned on and it will start showing command. And it's showing now, put your bottles and earn coin. So now we need to provide bottle to this hole, and you see here that our compressor is rotating continuously. And if we see from our back side of this project, this rotation is continuously running, and our sensors microcontrollers also powered on. And now we need to provide just bottle to our system. So now we will check this locker system by providing password to our keypad. So this first time it's a lock, and that's why it's not open here. So we will provide password 25802580 and hash. So it's open now, and after 5 seconds it will be locked again. So we will try it again. So it's locked, and we will provide password again 25802580 and then press hash. So it's open again. So now we will check our next part of this project operation. So let's see that one. So now we will provide different types of bottle. It's not only different types, it's two types of bottle. One is can bottle and another is plastic bottle, because only plastic and can bottle is approved to provide here. And here another bottles is not allowed for this machine. That's why we need to provide here only plastic and can bottle. So now we will provide a plastic bottle first, and when it will be sended, at that moment this flap will be stored this plastic bottle to plastic bin. And now we input here a can bottle that will be stored in can bottle bin. And also again flap will be changed the position for shift this can bottle and plastic bottle in different bin. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again, and Allah Hafiz.